The Honda Pilot key fob from 2009 to 2015 models uses a CR2032 battery. This is the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery you'll need. You'll need a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool and an anti-static wrist strap to ground yourself. First, locate the seam or screw on the back of the fob. Carefully pry it open to avoid scratches. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with positive side facing up. Reassemble the fob and test all buttons. If the remote doesn't work after battery replacement, check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean them with isopropyl alcohol. If issues persist, the fob may need reprogramming through ignition cycling or professional assistance. Ensure the replacement battery is a CR2032. Using the wrong type, like CR2025, can cause problems. Be wary of counterfeit fobs, which may pose security risks like unauthorized access. Also, consider that lithium batteries degrade faster in hot climates, reducing lifespan. DIY battery replacement can save you $60 to $100 compared to dealership service. For models 10 years or older, check the battery annually to prevent lockouts.